A funding round in the startup world represents more than money. It signifies market confidence. Down rounds occur when startups raise funds at valuations lower than their previous rounds. A down round often signals challenges, yet it can mark a moment for reassessment and adaptation. Economic downturns can trigger down rounds, reflecting reduced investor appetite and market corrections. Overvaluation in earlier funding stages often leads to inevitable valuation corrections through down rounds. Missing growth milestones or underperformance can cause startups to face reevaluated, lower valuations. Shifting industry trends can diminish enthusiasm, pushing valuations down despite company potential. Down rounds impact equity dilution, shrinking founder and employee ownership stakes significantly. A company's reputation can suffer after a down round, raising skepticism among investors and competitors. Employee morale may drop following a down round, especially when stock options lose perceived value. Savvy investors evaluate the fundamental strength of a business beyond the optics of a down round. Strategic investors view down rounds as an opportunity to enter promising companies at more realistic valuations. Transparency during a down round helps align employee, investor, and stakeholder expectations effectively. Tightening operations and optimizing burn rates are critical steps after navigating a challenging down round. Companies like Airbnb survive down rounds by focusing on creativity and building long-term value. Peloton's post-pandemic valuation drop highlights the importance of diversification and strategic pivots. Investors scrutinize recovery plans post-down rounds to gauge realistic paths to future growth. A down round is a chance for startups to refocus, rebuild, and emerge more resilient. Despite short-term challenges, companies like Slack leverage user experience to redefine their market positions. Turning down rounds into comebacks requires strategic execution, strong leadership, and unwavering focus on fundamentals.